Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can preview your videos or projects in Davinci Resolve in full screen. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in Davinci Resolve and I have a video loaded up. This is just a previous tutorial that I've done, and I'll be using it as an example. I have muted it so that you guys won't hear any overlapping dialogue, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can view this within full screen. Now, firstly, you can go into view and you can zoom in or zoom out depending on the tab that you are in, but that still isn't the fix, and that isn't the same as actually using full screen, since it'll only zoom in the footage here. What you can do to view full screen, and I don't know if there is a button for this within this menu here, but you can just press Control or Command, whatever operating system you're on. That depends on that. If you're on Windows, you'll use Control. If you're on Mac, you'll use Command. Doesn't really matter, but just hold your control button and click F and you'll be in full screen. And as you can see, this is a full screen preview of my tutorial or of my project in Davinci Resolve, and you can use it in any tab pretty much except for Fusion, since if I go to Fusion and click Control F, it should just show me the tools sort of finding tab, and now that I'm doing it, it isn't doing anything. But if I go into any other tab, as you can see, even the media and even the deliver tab, it'll just show the full screen. Even the audio tab, it shows me the full screen preview of my footage. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.